Hello, my name is Asha. I'm from Singapore and I'm gonna unbox my new toy called Looking for Treasure. Let's open it up.
Okay, let's open together.
Yes. We should open easy.
Wow, so nice.
It's like with a dolphin with a shark fin.
Okay.
What is this monster?
Open this. Ooh.
And I'll be the green.
Then this
I be
is
the green.
the four kinds.
There are blue and red and yellow.
Yes, we got 4 colors.
These are the 5 thing colors and some board that if we go on the water, like we need to prepare first.
How?
I'm gonna prepare mine and I need to prepare a Jelly's one.
But we only got 2 people. That's why we need only 2 colors. Scissors, paper, stone. Scissors, paper, stone. Scissors, paper, stone.
Scissors, paper, stone. Scissors, paper, stone. Scissors, paper, stone.
Okay, Asher is the winner.
5.
It's a boat, then must come here.
Oh no, one. I use my IQ. Hey, Yoni. 2. 1, 2. Your turn. 3. 5. Wow, I need 5 to get 1 treasure chest.
Okay, now it's my turn first. Hey, it's my turn. 2. Oh no.
Hey, this is mine. This is mine.
I'm so sorry.
My turn. 2. 1, 2. Ooh.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
Wow.
Oh yeah, I got a free treasures.
Ooh.
Yeah, me. Me. Take 5.
Wow.
Thank you.
3. Oh, go
Oh,
back here.
okay,
Then
bye.
I need to put this.
5. 4. And 1.
Yay! Asher is the winner.
Yay!
Good job.
Yay! And this is the end of my toy review. Please subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. Bye bye.
Wow.